Have you ever noticed that as we age, the first part of our body to lose strength is not the arms, but the legs? It's true. Research from the National Institute on Aging, NIA, shows that after 50, muscle mass in the legs begins to decline steadily, and this can affect balance, independence, and overall quality of life. Let me ask you, do you want to climb stairs without struggling? Walk around the park freely? Play with your grandchildren without worrying about falls? Then you need to pay close attention, because today I'll share not just the 6 most powerful foods for leg strength, but also simple exercises and real-life stories from seniors who have transformed their mobility. Before we start, make sure you comment below if you or someone you know struggles with leg weakness. This will help me create more content tailored to your needs. The real danger of weak legs. Did you know that falls are the leading cause of injuries among older adults in the US? One trip, one misstep, and suddenly a simple fall can lead to fractures, hospitalization, or even long-term mobility loss. Strong legs provide stability, balance, and confidence, all essential to prevent falls and maintain independence. Here's a story from one of my viewers, Margaret, 72 years old from Ohio. She told me she couldn't walk her dog around the block without stopping several times because her legs would get tired and weak. After incorporating leg-strengthening foods and simple exercises into her daily routine, she reports she now walks 30 minutes a day, climbs stairs without pauses, and feels more energetic than she has in years. 6. Foods that strengthen legs. After 60 for 1. Greek yogurt, muscle fuel and bone protector. Greek yogurt is packed with high-quality protein, crucial for muscle maintenance after 60. Harvard research shows that older adults who consume enough protein daily retain more muscle mass and prevent frailty. It's also rich in calcium and vitamin D, essential for strong bones, helping prevent fractures from falls. Pair it with berries or a sprinkle of nuts for extra antioxidants and healthy fats. Quick tip: try a morning yogurt parfait with blueberries, chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey. Your legs will thank you. 2. Spinach, nature's muscle booster. Spinach is full of nitrates, which improve blood flow to muscles, making your legs more efficient during daily activities. It's also high in magnesium, preventing cramps, and vitamin K, supporting bone strength. Real-life example: Frank, 68 from Florida, added spinach smoothies to his breakfast routine. Within a few weeks, he noticed less stiffness in his knees and more stamina while walking around his neighborhood. 3. Quinoa, the complete plant protein. Quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids, helping your muscles recover and rebuild. A University of Illinois study confirmed that older adults consuming complete proteins like quinoa have better leg strength and endurance. Practical tip: swap your rice for quinoa 3 to 4 times a week. Add some roasted vegetables and a sprinkle of olive oil for flavor and nutrients. 4. Walnuts, joint and brain protector. Omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts reduce inflammation, easing joint pain in knees and hips. Plus, they support brain health, enhancing memory and focus, so you stay sharp while staying strong. Story: Eleanor, 74 from California, started adding a small handful of walnuts to her daily snacks. Within a month, she noticed her knees hurt less when gardening and felt more stable while walking. 5. Beans, affordable protein power. Beans like black beans, lentils, and chickpeas provide protein, fiber, iron, and zinc, all crucial for oxygen delivery to muscles. Blue Zone studies in Okinawa show that seniors who eat beans daily enjoy better mobility and longevity. Quick tip: try a bean salad with olive oil, lemon, and your favorite herbs. Easy, delicious, and muscle-friendly. 6. Dark chocolate, surprisingly powerful. Dark chocolate, 70% cacao or higher, is rich in flavonoids, which improve blood circulation to muscles. This ensures oxygen and nutrients reach your legs, enhancing endurance and energy. Bonus: it also boosts mood and motivation, which is critical, because staying active is easier when you feel good. Simple leg exercises you can do at home. Eating well is only half the story. You must move your muscles daily to strengthen them. Here are some exercises anyone over 60 can do safely at home. Chair squats. Sit and stand from a chair 10-15 times, 2-3 sets daily. Builds quadriceps and glutes. Calf raises. Hold a wall or chair for support. Rise onto your toes and slowly lower. 15-20 reps, 2 sets. Strengthens calves and balance. Seated leg lifts. Sit in a chair, lift each leg straight and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. 10-12 reps per leg. Improves thigh muscles and joint support. Side leg raises. Stand behind a chair, lift one leg to the side slowly. 10 reps per side, 2 sets. Strengthens hip abductors, improving stability. Walking or light marching. Even 10-20 minutes daily improves muscle endurance, circulation, and coordination. Pro tip: start slowly and listen to your body. Consistency matters more than intensity. Lifestyle tips for stronger legs. Hydrate. Muscles need water to function properly. Aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses per day. Balance protein and fiber. Combine legumes, whole grains, nuts, and vegetables to keep muscles fueled. Stretch daily. 5 to 10 minutes of gentle stretching keeps muscles flexible and reduces fall risk. Move. Often. Avoid sitting more than 1 hour at a time. Short walks, light chores, or even marching in place work wonders. Let's be honest. Some days moving is hard, but real people are proving it's possible to regain strength. James, 70 from New York, struggled with knee pain and weak legs. After 2 months of nutrition changes and daily exercises, he now walks his dog 2 miles daily without stopping. Linda, 65 from Texas, used to avoid stairs. Now she climbs 3 flights at her office with ease and confidence. These aren't miracles. They're science-backed results from consistent effort and smart nutrition. Key takeaways. Legs weaken first as we age, but you can fight back. Greek yogurt, spinach, quinoa, walnuts, beans, and dark chocolate are scientifically proven to protect muscles and bones. Simple exercises, done consistently, dramatically improve strength, balance, and independence. Small daily habits make a big difference in long-term mobility and quality of life. I want to hear from you. Which food will you add to your diet today? Which exercise are you committing to this week? Share your story in the comments. I read every single one. And don't forget, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips, real-life stories, and science-backed advice to stay strong and independent well into your 80s, 90s, and even 100. Remember, your legs carry you through life. Treat them like the treasure they are.